All right, we are back, everybody. We are learning about worms today. And like I said, this one was, you should have already taken this gummy worm dissection off of your little baggie. And we've done that already. And then one of your worms should be taken out. So what you're left with is three gummy worms and 3 Oreos in the bag. You also have a little cup like this. And then a little chocolate pudding. And then what you're gonna need is a spoon too. So that should be all that you need to make dirt cups. So dirt worm cups. So we talked about how worms, live in the dirt or whatever. So that's why we're making these worm dirt cups today. So I'm gonna start by taking out the 3 worms, and I'm just gonna have just the 3 Oreos in the bag, and I'm gonna zip it up so there's really no air in there. You kind of push it shut and then close it. Make sure it's all the way zipped so that there's no air inside or coming out, okay? Now you probably have a staple in there. That's okay, just whatever. So you're gonna start with that, and we're gonna take our Oreos and we're just going to mush them. So we're gonna kind of mush them like this. Mine have been really a lot of humidity, so they're kind of mushy. So I'm just gonna keep mushing them. This until you get them into smallish kind of pieces so it looks like dirt. If you can't get them like that, you could take a bigger spoon and kind of, I have a plastic one so it won't work, but you could do something like that. But I would, if I were you, keep it in the bag so that you don't make a huge mess, okay? So just kind of keep grinding it up as small as you can get it. We've had a lot of humidity in here, so our Oreos are a little bit mushier. Hopefully yours are nice and crunchy. Keep going best you can. Kind of feels fun. Okay. So that's probably good. I'm doing my best. I just don't want any big chunks of Oreos in there because that doesn't really look like dirt. So there we go. There's my Oreos. And then I'm just going to take my pudding. Now, if you want to, you could just make it inside of this, but I thought you probably need a little more room. So I'm going to take out the pudding. Feel free to lick this. That's my favorite part. And then you're just going to take it and dump it in the plastic cup. Now, usually when I make these, we make it with homemade pudding, but since we're doing it like this, we wanted to be able to make it easy for you, so we just gave you guys a chocolate pudding cup. And I like the taste of homemade pudding more than pudding cups, but this, it works. So just get as best I can. And just kind of smooth it out. Kind of see. I did a bad job because I put mine in I already got some on this side, but that's okay. And then you're gonna take your dirt and just very carefully dump it inside on top of the pudding. I'm sure a lot of you have made these before. If you've been to Paws, we make them probably every summer. So, I'll bring it back. Okay, then I'm just gonna kind of put that on top, and then I'm gonna just take my 3 little worms and I'm gonna put them right on top of there, and that is it. Do you see the mud and the dirt and the worms? Now, we know usually the worms are inside of the dirt unless it's raining. So if you wanna mix it up, you can. Otherwise, you just take a bite and eat it. It's really good. I hope you enjoy. Bye.